Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Your Excellency recommends the Honorable Jurist, my friend, who participate in the debate context, my loving brother and sister, first of all praises to Allah who give His love, life and guides, always kindly salawat and attention must be upon Rasulullah Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, his family, friend, and followers. I am Farah from Islamic University Raden Intan Lampung. You the ID to deliver my speech about the school role in overcoming moral decadence. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Instagram, right? And some of is have a TikTok. The TikTok we often video of young woman wearing a private clothes, dancing a private. We also often hear the news about some things consuming drugs, and before pandemic at big city, people and things going to pop is a common things. Thingers to free sex is also very common. Right now, it's ironic and fitidex in it. How can something like that have to our young generation? Let me ask you, is it the parents' fault for not waiting their children, or the school and the takers' fault for not education the student well, are the student themselves fault? Well, I think all from them are responsible of this starting from the student, the parents, the teacher, and the school. All of the have the responsible to educate and to good the student to be a good moral response, but in this action will experience on the relate of school. Ladies and gentlemen, what is moral and morality actual? Morality is basically the human attempt to define what is right and what is wrong, or morality can be determined by many experience, but the environment in which will develop and grow definitely influence our morality. Our morality, therefore, our family, our teacher, our friends at home, and our friends at school will often our moral development. Then how can school object our moral? Ladies and gentlemen, school in Arabic is madrasah. This has the meaning the place for Quran to learn. School experience madrasah or Islamic school in an important place for Muslim to how Allah, Rasulullah, Al-Quran, Hadith, and to build as learners to have a good attitude, to be a man of Allah, and to follow Rasulullah Rasulullah said, Rasulullah SAW said, "Inama buistu lil utamima makarimal akhlak." I was sent to make the student perfect concern with the hadith and madrasah or Islamic school. We learned akidah, akhlak, and taklim al-maklamun. By studying the subject, we learn how to behave and will learn how to take other people with kindness, respect, compassion, firmness, and humility. Just by the behavior of Rasulullah, because the teacher of madrasah or Islamic school to not only educate the student academic, but they also physically guide the student to have a good educative to the good things, to avoid bad thing and sin. To teacher in madrasah or Islamic school, you usually always kept waiting on the development of the student. The teacher will advise the student if they do some mistake, but what is said prevention is the role of Islamic school. So what about public school? Public school also has some information subject and also counseling based or curriculum also emphasizes on character disability. This is very crucial for at her Islamic or public school. Another role that can be done by school is that school profit money extracurriculum and activity that can develop student skill. The school motivates students to get activement based on their passion by boost them extracurricular and joining some competition. The student will not have much time has their time most on useful activity. Ladies and gentlemen, I will sum up my points. School and madrasah to have reforming student morality. First, to studying knowledge tak akidah, akhlak, siti ekskip, and taklim upon the real life the school. The teacher and the student will be our response will good attitude. Second, school is a place for the student to not only learn about knowledge, but also the place where their attitude and behavior, albeit their school provide many positive activities and motivates students to get experiment, and some the time to the negative can be minimized. Ladies and gentlemen, that all my speak for today. Let's do for your attention, and last day to thank to our teacher at school for their kindness, how make us be some the respond with good moral like we are today, and to are the student. Let's study school select see and be a campaign the campaign in goodness. We are the campation, my friend, and we'll keep on folding till the end. We are the confusion. We are the confusion on time for lesson cushion. We are the compassion of the will. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.